Hey, online Tony here. Welcome to a YouTube channel, and I want you to subscribe, follow as well. Let's talk about unleashing financial independence with master resale rights, where you can work from home. We deliver as we delve into the incredible opportunity of earning a substantial income while working from the comfort of your own home. If you're seeking a flexible work option that allows you to be your own boss, this is the perfect match for you. And you definitely won't want to miss this opportunity. What you got to do is click on the link that's attached and go to Online Tony, and we're going to show you exactly what you need to do to start earning money from home with master resale rights. We understand that starting any online venture can be overwhelming, which is why we've simplified the process, making it accessible to individuals of all backgrounds. So don't miss out. Click on the link, Online Tony.